How to add an adjustment layer in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page from the bottom of the screen. This is where you will do most of the timeline based editing. Make sure your timeline is active and you have at least one clip added. Next, go to the effects panel on the top left, then scroll down or search for adjustment clip under the effects section. Click and drag the adjustment clip onto your timeline and place it above your video clip on a higher track. This creates the adjustment layer. Now you can apply effects, color grading or transition to the adjustment clip and it will affect all the video's clips beneath it in the timeline. This is really useful when you want to apply the same effect across multiple clips without doing it one by one. You can resize the adjustment clip to cover specific portions of your timeline depending on where you want the effect to be active. You can also add multiple adjustment clips for different effects or segments of your video. Finally, to keep things organized, it's a good idea to rename the adjustment clip and lock the track once you are done editing it, especially if you are working on a complex project. And that's it. Now you know how to add an adjustment layer in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.